ITC has been in a long-term downtrend from 2019 April onwards. Stock fell almost by 65% from 310 levels and it went down to 134 during the COVID time when market crashed. Since then, it has slowly started gaining momentum. And if you watch, especially in the month of March and April, it had seen VOLXP, that is volume explosion, and stock started moving with very very high volume. It went up higher up to its 13.2% retracement level, which is 201.6, and stock fell again. Again, it took support near 161, 162 levels, and during Diwali time, anyway, we had mentioned in our Telegram channel to buy this stock on a positional basis. That time stock was trading somewhere near around 168, 170, and stock moved nicely up to 215 levels. After years of downtrend, stock has given buy signal on the momentum invest indicator on 21st December 20 when it was trading somewhere near around 214. Stock took some time, consolidated near that range 215 to 200, and has given a fresh breakout above the nearest resistance level, which is 218. Today it moved with very high volumes and stock moved nearly 6.9%. Probably this is the biggest move what ITC has seen over years, and volume was quite monumental. It was not less too. This time it clearly looks like the next logical destination could be 61.8% retracement level, that is 243. That is also a support and resistance level near 244.5. However, I am very optimistic that the stock could test 268 and 288 levels in short to medium term. It's a very very good investment pick and should be part of any portfolio. Stock is cash rich and professional management. The number of brand addition to the company is also very high. Fundamentally and technically, it looks fantastic now to invest in the stock. I am very bullish. I am holding the stock and would add more once it breaks out above 244. Any dip towards 208, in case it happens, is a fantastic buying opportunity which should not be missed. And watching out the technical part of it, stock has broken out above 35 RMA on weekly scale. Momentum indicators RSI suggest a strong uptrend and it's trading above 60. On daily charts, stock looks even better. So all momentum indicators, VSA, trend indicators, PV trend, ADX, everything is in favor of the stock. So good time to add it to the portfolio if not having today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular stock updates. And most importantly, I am not a savvy registered research advisor. Whatever analysis I post here, it is basis my technical understanding and it is purely technical picks. So before investing or trading in the stock, validate it with your investment advisor. Thank you. Bye.